Consider rebranding. So many people have this limited self-belief and we think so much about us. Just because you've been in business for 10 years does not mean that you have a brand. I'm gonna tell you how it is. I'm gonna tell you what your manufacturer will not tell you, supplier will not tell you. I'm gonna tell you your name sucks. People will not remember that name. It's not memorable, it's not clickable. You're losing a lot of business because you have a bad name. It's not catchy. You're no different than 3,000 other roofers. If you're in front of me at the right time, at the right moment, I might do business with you, but there's no way in hell I'm gonna Google and you're like, oh, look at this, like so original, so cool, gotta call this guy. We just came back from Roof Tiger in Chicago, 2.6 million in first year in business. Once you see that brand on a highway, on a building, once you met that person in person, you will not forget them. Roof Tiger is there for the rest of times. Beautiful name, very catchy. Monarch Roofing, another one. So learn from companies like Facebook. It's never too late to rebrand. And if you have bad name, you will spend way too much in marketing, and it's one of the biggest expenses that you have.